iba, naman diyang iba, ngunit ikaw lang talaga ang nag-iisa. I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life.
Ba? Ba? Smile ka? Smile? Ba? Hello! Andito kami sa Morrisons. Naglakad kami ng mga bata. Palaging nag-a-iPad sa bahay. So, dinala ko sila. Jack sa kanyang pram. Ang mga bata nandito. Nag-shopping-shopping yung dalawa. Ayan, oh. Agoy. Nor, tag 475 lang pala to. Guys, maglaba gani ka. Laro na siya, natulog na to kanina. They have pampers here for 2 for 20 pounds. So tag 10 pound na lang yung isa. Instead of paying 14 pounds. Okay, ganito oh, jumbo. Jumbo na siya. Oy, my friend is here. Yan siya. Busy man siya. She's busy. Dito kami sa toilet. Kayong ate ni Jack nag-toilet. Inaya ko sila. Sabi ko sa kanila na let's go to Morrison. Kay mag-walk. Kay nag-iPad nga all day. What? Is she done? Is she? Open it for me, please. So, ayaw nila at first. Sabi nila sa akin, no, ayaw daw nila. Dahil doon lang sila sa bahay, nag-iPad. Agoy, yung mga bata na ito. Not yet. No, there's no more tissue. Wash your hands, please. Yeah, done. Tomato, oh. Tag 99p. Big.
So big.
Try it.
No, I was pretending.
Hold it.
Can I hold it? Can I hold?
Careful you don't drop it. Will you put it there, please? Oh, we don't get bell pepper.
Mommy, I want another shot.
It will fall. It will fall. Don't touch it.
But I want another.
Hold it, please.
Mommy, I just get another shot. Let's go. Okay.
Arrange lang ako nito dito sa ilalim. Hoy, ganyan kaputi si Inday ninyo. Kanina, before ako pumunta sa Morrisons, I was thinking na I will limit myself so that I can save up money. Diba? Kaya sometimes I don't limit how much I spend every day. So sabi ko mga 20 pound okay na para kasya yung aking money. Sometimes kasi yung money ko not enough, like for example I spend too much kay hindi ako mag-budget bitaw. So now that I'm learning how to budget everything, like bago ako pumunta sa Morrisons, sasabihin ko na mag-budget ako mga 20 pound. So today it's good, our target is 20 pounds, so I spend 20 pound dyan sa Morrisons. I never go over the limit kay so that we save and budget our money. That's how money works. Let's go. Maglakad muna kami. Okay. So, it's good because it's sunny today. Yung mga bata may sunlight sila sa kanilang katawan at hindi sila nagbabad sa iPad ng Long time. What happened? Are you fighting?
No.
Oh, you're playing. Oh, okay. Ay nang kain sa kanyang kamay. Unsa naman na, Jack? Gutom na siguro yan siya. I think hungry na si Jack, kaya nagkakain sa kanyang kamay. So maglalakad lang muna kami kay para matutukan ko ito. Oh. Sobrang linis, no? Sana ganyan din sa atin sa Pilipinas. Last time, I was thinking of getting a job. Like online job. So, nag-search ako sa internet. Aside from my affiliate ba na job na sa TikTok, nag-search ako sa internet kung ano yung mga side hustle job, yung mga online job, mga teaching job. Kasi, pwede ka pala mag-teach na online teaching. There's a lot of ways to work online. May nalaglag na ganito oh, sa daanan. I don't know what's the use of that one. Tinayo ko lang tapos iiwanan. Hindi ko na yan dalhin sa bahay. Ah! Nanghawid yun talaga si Jack oh. Shush! Hiningal na yung mga bata kakalakad. Are you tired, Jenny? Si Gigi nandun. Pagod na yan sila. We cannot go there kay may prom kami. Usually pag ganito yung weather, ang daming tao. It's too expensive. Punong-puno yung car park nila pag Saturday. Ganito yung mga tingkain ng mga tao.
You have a nice drink?
Drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What?
You looking for drink?
Do people take these?
Yes. Ayan oh, may price pa siya. Yung mga donation nila. $29.50. It's new. Ayan ata yung ginagawang ukay-ukay sa Philippines.
Them for free?
No, it's not for us. It's donations for other people.
It's for the poor people. I think. But
Yeah.
we are poor. No, we're not. But we don't have money. No, but we have clothes.
Wala daw siyang pira. Poor daw kami. Si Jenny nakakatawa. Sabi ni Jenny, ni Jessica, para daw yun sa poor people, yung donations. Sabi naman nitong isa. Sabi ni Jenny, but we are poor. Kunin daw namin. Sabi naman ni JJ, hindi tayo poor. Meron tayong mga damit. Hindi siya papayag na poor kami. Si Jenny, poor daw kay wala daw kaming pera. Jack is joking. Coughing. He's okay. Si Jack naman parang superhero. Oh. Gustong-gusto niya nito maglabas sa kanyang prom. Nag-i-enjoy talaga siya.
I didn't want to stop.
Yes, because
But
of
we
the
don't need-
Crocs. Go. Because the Crocs hurt. Go quick, quick, quick. Come on, this car.
So what was that?
What?
That fireworks sound.
It's fireworks. My baby is hungry. Want a didi? Okay. Come here, want a didi? Alright. Didi among baby. Woo!